Hello and what is up, guys? I'm drinking this BCAA as gives a really good effect combined to caffeine intake, and it's almost similar. It makes you feel good in the body, and I mix it up with the water. Um, as that is what I feel is tasting the best. I don't like it straight from the bottle. Normally, when I drink Powerade and such, I also mix it up with water because I think it gives it a fresh effect. But listen to me, guys. The first thing as comes up on Google when you search BCA, what is it good for? There comes something up with it is good for people on antipsychotic drugs as it's good against a walking disorder. And I am in the psychiatric system, and I've been for 10 years straight. And I've drinking really many PWO tubes with the PWO powder that I bought. Um, but as I said in my earlier video, BCA and EAA is the construction amino acids as your body needs for full construction. And that is pretty much what I know.